Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Now, I am going to start another topic. It's regarding Aristotle discovery. Before studying this new topic of chapter 2, I would like to remind you, on previous day, I explained how to trace the magnetic lines of forces of magnet. You can see the picture again, how the tracing of magnetic lines of forces takes place. I have placed here a magnet and you can see the lines of forces. These are the lines of forces, dotted lines. So it indicates that the forces emerging from north to south, and this is the particular direction of flowing of forces from north to south outside the magnet, and inside the magnet the forces from south to north. Again, I have depicted the picture here only for your reminder, and we used magnetic compass or the magnetic needle pointed here, the points A, B, C and so on, and these dots were being joined to find out the lines showing the magnetic lines of forces. Here these are the magnetic lines of forces and these are the magnetic lines of forces outside the magnet. It is emerging from north towards the south and inside from south to north. Now, I would like to start a very important topic. It is Aristotle discovery. Aristotle discovery indicates that when electric current is passing through a wave, produces magnetic field. You can see here magnetic field around the wave. Magnetic field around it, that is the wave. And the Aristotle was the first. His observation was the first that indicated the connection between magnetism and electricity. He was the first that indicated the connection between the magnetism and the electricity. Again I repeat, Aristotle was able to show that when electric current is passing through a wave, produces magnetic field around it. And on that basis, he was able to prove that and indicated that the connection between the magnetism and electricity. Just to prove this one, first and foremost, I have drawn a picture here. You can see the wave. Here is the wave. And the magnetic compass is placed over the wave. When the compass needle is placed over the wave and in horizontal way, this is horizontal, and no electricity is passing now. And so you can see the magnetic needle is quite in its fixed position south-north direction. Magnetic needle is not deflecting, but when compass needle is placed over the wave horizontally and it is connected to a battery, when the wave is connected to a battery, obviously the current flows, and when the current flows from north to south, south to north, you can see current flows towards north. This is the north direction. Then you can see that needle is deflected towards east. You can see here north, south, west, east. When the current flows towards north, this is north direction, north. From south to north, the flow of current, and when magnetic compass is placed over the wire in which current is flowing from south to north, you will see that needle which was just fixed here, no deflection, when there was no connection with this wire with any source of energy or battery. Here, as soon as it is connected to a battery, this wire is connected to a battery. You can see here, connected to a battery. As soon as it is connected to a circuit, then the current starts to flow. It starts to flow from south to north, and the needle is deflected from north towards the east. So current flows towards north, needle deflected towards east. But as soon as the flow of current is changed, you can see here from north to south, the flow of current is now north to south, the needle deflected towards west. But when compass needle is placed below the current, the flow of the current, this is the where, and now the compass needle is placed below the wire, you will see the needle is reversed, deflected, reversed. That is, when the current is flowing from south to north, the compass needle deflected towards west. Whereas you can see, while the current was flowing from south to north and the compass needle was placed above the current carrying conductor, the deflection of the needle is towards east. But when the current is flowing from south to north, but the magnetic needle is placed below the wire, you can see it is quite reverse. That is, the magnetic compass is deflected towards west. Here it is towards east, but here it is quite reverse, west. Like that, in this case, you can see while the magnetic compass was above the wire, current carrying wire, the magnetic compass needle deflected towards west, but it is quite reverse. When the compass needle is below the current carrying conductor, below, this one is below, you can see compass needle below where it is quite different. It is from this one in the west, but this one is east. It is quite reverse. In this case again, I explain this here. While the current is flowing from south to north, the magnetic compass deflected towards east. But here, when the magnetic compass is placed below the wire, the needle deflected towards west. But in this case, while the flows of current is from north to south, but while the magnetic compass is above the current carrying conductor, the magnetic needle deflected towards west. But here, while the magnetic compass is below the current carrying conductor, the needle deflected towards east. Here west, it is east. So when compass needle is placed below the current carrying conductor, the deflection of the needle is reversed. But when the compass needle is placed over a horizontal wire connected to a battery, but the magnetic compass is above the current carrying conductor and below the conductor, it is just reverse. Since magnetic needle can be deflected due to presence of magnetic field. Again I repeat, since magnetic needle can be deflected, here you can see the deflection, it is due to the magnetic field. Why magnetic field? Just now I explained here that when electric current is passing through a wire produces magnetic field. So here the current carrying conductor, this one, here also magnetic field is already produces magnetic field, and that's why the deflection of the needle towards east. But while the magnetic compass is placed below the current carrying conductor, the deflection is towards west. So the deflection is due to the presence of magnetic field. In this way, Ørsted concluded that magnetic field is produced around a current carrying conductor. The Ørsted concluded that magnetic field is produced around a current carrying conductor. Now, thus the phenomena due to which magnetic field is produced, around a current carrying conductor, a magnetic effect of current. So the question, what is magnetic effect of electric current? Just now I explained the Ørsted experiment or observation. He concluded that when current is passing through a wire, magnetic field is produced around the current carrying conductor. So that is known as magnetic effect of current. Thus, the phenomena due to which magnetic field is produced, around a current carrying conductor, that is the conductor in which current is flowing. Around this magnetic field is produced. So that magnetic field, whatever produced, that is known as magnetic effect of current. So this is the phenomena. And the direction of the deflection, just now I explained how the magnetic compass deflected. So the direction of the deflection can be determined by any one of these two rules. One, Snow rule, and another Ampere's swimming rule. One is Snow rule. What is Snow rule? In direction of the current flowing through a wire. Suppose this is the wire in which current is flowing, and if the magnetic compass is placed below the wire, that is, the wire is placed over the needle. Here you can see the wire is placed over the needle, that is, the magnetic compass is below the wire. Then the deflection, what type of deflection occur here? The magnetic needle, this one, will be deflected towards west. The north pole of the compass will be deflected towards west when current flows from south to north. It is clearly indicated in Snow rule. If direction of the current flowing through the wire is from south to north, that is south to north. You can see here, the current is flowing from south to north and magnetic compass is placed below the wire, that is, wire is placed over the needle. The deflection of the north pole, you can see here, it is deflected towards the west. This is written here. If the direction of the current wire flowing through the wire is from south to north and the wire is placed over the needle, the north pole of the needle is deflected towards the west.